This is the Budgiemania 2019. I am your host Daniel. We have Sterling Dar Savage, also known as Dar Eagle. We have Lollipop, as well as Raheem the Merciful, also known as the Green Monster XD. Warm-up time. Let's see them stretch their puny muscles. Lollipop is having his lunch, not caring about his utter demise. XD. The match has started. Lollipop is going for the scratch attack. Wait, they are kissing? This is supposed to be brutal and violent, and then they start to have romance. What is going on? The photographer is under attack. Sterling is going full savage mode now. He has no mercy, unlike the merciful Raheem. Well, it seems like budgies don't know how to fight. The match has ended, but it seems like no one won. Let's now take a look at some stunts by Sterling in the match.